नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम टू डे 25 of your 30-day Hindi speaking challenge. I am Vaishali, your Hindi teacher. Today is your quick revision day. We will review the key words and sentences from the past 24 days through a fun quiz. Ready to test your memory? Let's go. What is the meaning of morning? Subha. What is the meaning of night? Raat. What is the meaning of happy? Khush. What is the meaning of weather? Mausam. What is the meaning of bed? Bura. What is the meaning of to go? Jana. What is the meaning of dislike? Napasand. What is the meaning of like? Pasand. What is the meaning of direction? Disha. What is the meaning of to meet? Milna. What is the meaning of to eat? Khana. What is the meaning of to live? Rehna. What is the meaning of name? Naam. What is the meaning of cleaning? Safai. What is the meaning of water? Pani. What is the meaning of to bathe? Nahana. What is the meaning of assembly? Sabha. What is the meaning of darkness? Andhera. How do you say what is your name in Hindi? The answer is आपका नाम क्या है? How do you say yes in Hindi? The answer is हाँ. How do you say no in Hindi? The answer is no. Translate this sentence into Hindi. I am fine. मैं ठीक हूँ. How do you ask someone's age in Hindi? The answer is आपकी उम्र क्या है? How to say I am going in Hindi? The answer is मैं जा रहा हूँ for male and मैं जा रही हूँ for female. How to say I am hungry in Hindi? The answer is मुझे भूख लगी है. How do you say please come in? The answer is कृपया अंदर आइए. How to say where are you going? The answer is आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं और तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? How do you say this is my mother in Hindi? The answer is ये मेरी माता जी हैं. How to say don't worry? The answer is चिंता न करें. Challenge of the day. Write any 3 Hindi sentences from your memory in the comments. It can be about yourself, a question, or something you need. Show me how much you have learned. You just revised your Hindi basic talk, a fun quiz. Keep practicing. We are almost at the final stretch. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in Day 26 for real conversation practice.